In the last video, we learnt words with the root chir or chiro, which means hands. Chirography. Chirography is the study of penmanship or handwriting. Chiropractor. A chiropractor is a healthcare professional who treats disorders through the manual adjustment and/or manipulation of the spine. Chiromancy. It is the art of reading palms to tell someone's future. Another word for chiromancy is palmistry. Chiroplasty. Chiroplasty is the plastic surgery of the hand. And chironomy. Chironomy is the art of judging a person's character by examining the lines and other features of their hands. Now let's look at age groups and what they are called. Quadragenarian. People in their 40s are known as quadragenarian. Hence they are in the age group of 40 to 49 years. Quinquagenarian. People in their 50s are quinquagenarian. Hence they are in the age group of 50 to 59 years. Sexagenarian. People in their 60s are called sexagenarian. They are in the age group of 60 to 69 years. Septuagenarian. People in their 70s are called septuagenarian. They are in the age group of 70 to 79 years. Next is octogenarian. People in their 80s are called octogenarian. They are in the age group of 80 to 89 years. Nonagenarian. People in their 90s are called nonagenarian. They are in the age group of 90 to 99 years. And now last but not the least, centenarian. People who are 100 years of age and above are called centenarian. Let's recap. Quadragenarian, quinquagenarian, sexagenarian, septuagenarian. Next is octogenarian, nonagenarian, and finally centenarian.
If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more videos like these.